Hey everybody, Shu here, back with another review for you. This is the Blackweb 7 times extra charges, 20,100 milliamp hours. It says it's for portable batteries for smartphones, tablets, and other devices. I used this on our live stream that we did at the Mummers Day Parade, where we were able to actually sneak into the mummers groups. We infiltrated them, and we were able to walk through most of the parade with the mummers. But I'm going to give a quick review on this because this is what I used to be able to film 3 hours and 45 minutes for the first live feed, and then about another 2.5 hours I was able to use with a cell phone. So that's a lot, especially for a cell phone. So without further ado, let's get this thing started. Yesterday we went out and we went to the Mummers Day Parade, and I've got a lot of footage from that. It's all on, I was streaming live. And without this, I would not have been able to do it at all. Now it comes with a USB to micro USB charging cable. Now the instructions on this says you're supposed to plug it into the micro USB, then plug it into a wall outlet or a wall adapter. The only problem is as I've seen in a lot of the written reviews, like if you go to the Blackweb website or you go to Amazon, you go to all these other places, everybody's complaining about the charging on this. It's very, very simple. Everybody has seen these type of chargers. They come in all different sizes, all different shapes, all different colors, and a lot of people don't actually look at what they have. They think, oh, it'll charge my cell phone. It should charge this. Which, don't let the size difference fool you. Just like all these, size isn't too much of a difference. What makes the most important part on these is how much power the output is. All of these wall chargers are 5 volts DC. Almost every USB charger is going to be 5 volts DC. The only difference is this one is 2.0 amps for output. This is a 1.5. This one is a 1.0. That is a 1.87, or excuse me, no, that's a 2.0. So we'll put two 2.0s together. And then you have a 1.8. Now this one is a little different because all of these say 1.0, 1.8, 2.0 amps. This one actually has 1,000 milliamps. Now, if you're looking for a charger, don't be fooled because, ooh, that's 1,000. These are only 1 and 2s. That's 1,000 milliamps. That takes 1,000 milliamps to equal 1 amp. So we'll move these out of the way. These two chargers here can both charge this unit, but it is going to charge it slow. Ain't no way of getting around that with these little chargers. I like to use my Anker IQ. It's ANKER IQ. It is a 110 volt. You have to plug it into the wall with the cord that they provide with it. The nice thing about this is set up. These 3 USBs here are all set for 2.4 amps. These down here are set up for 1.8 I do believe. Let me just check to make sure. Nope, they are set up for 1 amp. So you have 1 amp plugs for your phone. Then you have the 2.4 each. Each one of these are 2.4. This will charge this battery pack very, very quick. Another thing with this is they provide you this USB to micro USB for plugging into here so you can charge it up with your wall adapter. I personally don't like using these because my phone and other USB power supplied items that I have are all adaptive fast charge or fast charged. So what I like to do is I like to use my own cable. As you can tell, big difference. If you're going to use this for charging your phone, whether it's Android or Apple products, use your own cord. It's a lot easier. If you're going to charge this, you can use another cord. Use a different size. Don't use this little thing. This is not very good. Another thing with these cables here, like I purchased this cable, it's 5 feet long, so I can put it in. So I can put this in my backpack, run the cable out, run it to my cameras, to my phone, to whatever I need to run it to, even my tablet, and it supplies perfectly. Another beautiful thing with this is I use the Samsung wireless fast charger. You can actually plug it into this, and as soon as you put your phone on it, it will turn on and start charging. That's actually a photo from when we snuck into the Mummers event, or the Mummers parade. It'll actually stay charging, whole 9 yards. Let me move over here so you can see the light. Light comes right on and it's charging. You can take your phone off of it and the light will go off, so you're not wasting your battery power. Another nice thing about this is when you get your USB and you plug it into it, it will come online. I have it plugged directly into my phone. It'll come online and it'll tell you your percentage that you're at. And to give you an idea, I ran my phone yesterday, video recording the Mummers, and it got down to 5% charge. So I hooked up my long cable and it was able to continue recording, and it charged my phone back up to 100% while I was recording, which is a major plus for me. I just figured if I plug it up, it'll at least keep it alive. I wasn't expecting for it to charge it to full power. Currently they have two different types. Both of them are 20,100 milliamp hours. The difference is this one, when you push the button on the side, will light up with 4 dots. These 4 lights just basically indicate 25% for each one. On this model, you push a button, it tells you how much percentage visually you have. So I love these myself. They are, if you have an adaptive fast charge or a fast charge phone, or you're running a wireless charger, this will work awesomely. The biggest thing to remember is these here, only certain ones will work. If it's 2.0 and higher, they work perfectly. It might take a long time, but they will charge it up. Most automotive plugs, like if you have the jack in your vehicle for USB charging, those are rated for 2.4, so your vehicle will actually charge this even faster than these little ones will. And whatever happens, don't fall for the hype when you go into some of these stores, like convenience stores, dollar stores, stuff like that. They have these little cables for charging your phone, tablets, all that kind of stuff. Don't fall for that. Either go ahead, purchase a longer cord if that's what you need, or use the cord that was included with your phone. These are made for your phone. These are not made specifically for your phone. It's just for micro USB to USB. So if this has helped you out any, just go ahead and throw a thumbs up there. Make some comments down below if there's anything down there you want to know more about, or you want to see reviews on anything. Just let me know. So until next time.